Food and Beverages Vending Machine Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global food and beverages vending machine market size will be $15,245.6 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 12.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America food and beverages vending machine market size of $6,098.24 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe food and beverages vending machine market size of $4,573.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 10.7% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific food and beverages vending machine market size of $3,506.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 14.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America food and beverages vending machine market size of $762.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa food and beverages vending machine market size of $304.91 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.